Today I am going to tell something about some more and more GKs on different subjects. And first is Bhaiya Dooj is a regional festival of which state? Haryana. Indian Army jointly operated with Myanmar Armed Force to nab ULFA militants from northeast. Which operation is related with the above statement? Golden Bird. The Spanish Armada is the revolutionary painting of which painter? Pablo Picasso. Betting has been legalized in which sports? Horse racing. The abbreviated form OIGS, which stands for On India Government Service. With which sports the term trampoline is associated? The trampoline is associated with gymnastics. Who was the author of the book Gorbahu? The Gorbahu, the book, is written by Vakpoti Raja. Which Bengali painter illustrated Buddha and Sujata? The book Buddha and Sujata is written by Abanindranath Tagore. Parshuram Mela is a regional festival of which state? Parshuram Mela is a regional festival of Assam. The Birth of Venus was painted by Sandro Botticelli. Canon, the term associated with which sports? Canon, the term associated with the sports billiards. The full form of PNR is Passenger Number Records. Who was the author of the book Naturalis Historia? The book Naturalis Historia is by Pliny. Operation Meghdoot is associated with Indo-USA Army exercise in Ladakh. The festival Goru is associated with Assam. The term duplicate is associated with which sports? The term duplicate is associated with the sports bridge. The term tent pegging is associated with the sports horse racing. The term marksmanship is associated with which sports? The term marksmanship is associated with the sports shooting. The term tumbling is associated with which sports? The term tumbling is associated with gymnastics. The abbreviated form of TCS stands for Traffic Collision Avoiding System. The abbreviated form OPEC stands for Organizations of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries. The abbreviated form of ITU stands for International Tele-Union. The festival Karva Chauth originated in which state? The term Karva Chauth originates from northern and western India. In the month of Kartika, a full moon is seen for Karva Chauth. The festival Madhav Rai originates in Gujarat. The festival Surajkund Crafts Mela originates in Haryana state. The festival Loku originates in Arunachal Pradesh state. The historical book Nation in Making is written by Surendranath Banerjee. The painting Marble Pieta was illustrated by Michelangelo. Operation Blackboard relates to primary adult education. Operation Vajraprahar relates to Operation Meghdoot. The painting form Blue Pyramid. The painting form Blue Pyramid was illustrated by Pablo Picasso. The historical book Ashtadhyayi was written by Panini. The term pivot. Pivot is associated with which game? Basketball. Operation Rhino relates to army action against the ULFA and in Assam. The painting form Postman that was illustrated by Vincent van Gogh. The historical book Memories My Life and Times was written by Bipin Chandra Pal. The term Greco-Roman. The term Greco-Roman is associated with the game gymnastics. The regional festival Akastami Mela originates in Assam. The abbreviated form of HTTP by the full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The painting form, the dance was illustrated by Henry Matisse. The historical book Panchasiddhantika was written by Baraho Mihir. The abbreviated form of JVP. The abbreviated form of JVP by the full form of JVP stands for Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabi Sitaramaiah. This is a committee and this is the full name of committee. It was set up in 1949. What is the full form of Interpol? The full form of Interpol is International Criminal Police Organization. It was set up in 1956. The regional festival Kathina Sivara originates in Arunachal Pradesh. The painting for Madonna della Sadia was illustrated by Sanju Raphael. The regional festival Snake Boat Festival originates in Kerala. The term Chinaman is associated with crickets. The painting Virgin of the Rocks, painted by Leonardo da Vinci. The Operation Vajrashakti is related with Akshardham, who painted the painting Urdhva Akashe Siddha Dampati, Abanindranath Tagore, who is the author of the book Taruner Swapno, by Subhash Chandra Bose. The abbreviated form of Interpol is International Criminal Police Organization, that was established in 1956. The festival Tej. The festival Tej takes place at Rajasthan. The abbreviated form of PATA. What is the abbreviated form of PATA? The PATA stands for Pacific Asia Travel Association. Exercise Santibat relates to joint army exercise in New Delhi. Shravan Utsav is a festival of Uttarakhand. A flight to Egypt was illustrated by Rembrandt. Touchdown is the term associated with football. The book Surya Siddhanta was written by Aryabhatta. The full form of class is Computer Literacy and Analysis of Studies in Schools. The full form of MAN is Metropolitan Area Network.